Now I want to show you these geometric earrings. I got them in Mexico, this one, but this one you see already in my ear. This one is from Barcelona, handmade from a local designer. I love it. Look how cool is the design. It's very beautiful. Wow, I love this one. Oh my god, I don't even think to sell this one because I really love it. This one is made in Mexico. Look how it's in the ear. I love, oh my god, I'm in love with my jewelry. So beautiful. Yes, even when you combine, you don't need even to have both in I love uneven, and you can just break the rules and do whatever you want. This is what I love to do. When you style, just go crazy, go mad. You see, one this design and one this design. You are going to shine. I have one more geometric earring to show you. Actually, I have many more, but I don't want to confuse you. So today I'll only show you these 3 ones. And then, let's see. I need a stopper for this one. Okay, look at this one. Oh my god, this is very chic, very delicate, very stylish. It is so stylish. And look how it will be on the ear. I just use a stopper. This is not a good stop actually. Oh my god. I'm going to find something to fix the back. You see how it looks. Look at this one. See? So special. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Which earring do you like the most? Comment below, and don't forget to watch my video that I shared the geometrical silver rings, and enjoy it.